Hello all. Welcome to Studious Wanderer. This video is part of the series exploring Warangal Fort. In the earlier videos, we explored the Kush Mahal, Exila Gutta, and entrance gates. If you have missed those videos, do check the description for the links. In this video, we shall explore the main fort complex, which is also referred to as Kakatiya Kala Thoranam. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon so you do not miss our upcoming videos. Warangal Fort is located in Warangal district, Telangana, India. It was the capital city of the Kakatiya dynasty and Musunuri Nakas. It appears to have existed since at least the 12th century, when it was the capital of the Kakatiyas. Once you enter this fort, on your left you see an ancient and well-carved Ganesha statue. Sarveil offered his prayers to Lord Ganesha before proceeding to explore the main fort complex. Initially, Warangal was under the rule of the Rashtrakuta dynasty in the 8th century AD and Western Chalukya Empire in 10th century AD. In the 12th century, it came under the control of the sovereign Kakatiya dynasty. Although precise dating of its construction and subsequent enhancements is uncertain, historians and archaeologists generally agree that an earlier brick-walled structure was replaced with stone by Ganapati Deva, 1199 AD 1262 AD, and was completed by his daughter Rudrama Devi, who ruled until 1289, and further strengthened by her grandson Pratap Rudra II, whose reign came to be known as a Golden Age. 20 years later, the kingdom was conquered by the Delhi Sultanate. In 1309, Malik Kafur, the general of Alauddin Khalji, attacked the fort with a large force of 1 lakh men and surrounded it. Prataparudra II and his people secured themselves within the formidable stone-walled fort and battled bravely for several months with the invading army. As the siege was unable to be lifted for more than 6 months, Prataparudra II agreed to a truce with Kafur, as the latter had unleashed massive destruction on the neighboring towns and villages. This truce included the notable Kohinoor diamond along with various precious treasures, which he took it back to Delhi. No discussion about Warangal Fort is complete without mention of its structural beauty. Warangal Fort presents glorious architecture. The fort is consisted of around 45 towers or pillars that are built over an area of around 19 kilometers. The most attractive part of this fort is the Gateway of Glory. This is one of the most commonly covered in the Warangal Fort images. This main gateway consists of 4 impressively carved massive pillars that have been built out of a single rock. Standing strong, these pillars are around 30 feet high and present intricate carvings that are worth noticing. These majestic gateways, also known as Kirti Tornas, represent South Indian architectural style. In the middle of the fort, there is a temple dedicated to Mother Earth named Swayambhu Devi Alyam. This temple is said to have been built by Qutub Shahi king. Its exquisite carvings interest every visitor. The relics offer an extensive insight into the fort's architecture and the Kakatiya era. The inscriptions on the pillars and the walls provide vivid descriptions of the reign of Kakatiyas. The Warangal Fort was the center of political significance and economic prosperity of the region during the medieval period. The fort's sieges are one of the most talked about aspects of this historical structure. The fort withstood numerous attacks, which resulted in widespread destruction. The wealth of the Deccan region was such that it tempted invaders to repeatedly plunder it. This place was eventually absorbed into the Kuthab Shahi kingdom of Golconda, founded by Sultan Quli Kuthab Shah in the first quarter of the 16th century, and later held by the Nizam of Hyderabad until independence. Today, most of the glorious structures built by the Kakatiyas lie in ruins. Yet, these reminders of the region's glorious past lend identity and pride to the modern state of Telangana. The illustrious fort of Warangal is currently seeking the status of a World Heritage Site from UNESCO. In the next few seconds, we shall explore more quickly. Stay tuned till the end and do subscribe and click on the bell icon so you do not miss our upcoming videos.